helped over 200 producers the last 2 weeks to produce music in the style of Malugi. So for the past year, Malugi has been blowing up the EDM scene with tracks like these. So in today's video we're gonna create a track similar in that style, sounding like this. Let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with the drums. So open up your new speed sample pack and let's start off with a kick. Starting with this 99 kind of kick. Combine it with this 99 kind of clap. Then open that to the offbeat. And add some more groove with a second head, just like this. And get it slightly off the grid to humanize the groove, because the human can't hit exactly on the grid. Yeah, that's solid. Now I want to make it a bit more interesting with some drum loops. So let's go for this one. The layered clap is too much right now. We need to cut it out. Giving us this drum loop. And then add some more groove to the clap. And I think we can make them unique and pen them opposite of each other. Just some small details to make it a bit more interesting. Then just write them all to a drum bass. And then just remove the volume of the drum loop like this. And do some drum bass mixing. So I came across this video of Malugi in the studio.
Then I basically put this decimator, which is Sound Toys, which just gives it a bit of crunch really.
And he's using this decapitator preset. So we're just gonna copy it from the video and slap it on the drum bass as well, together with some compression. So that's it for the drums. Now we're gonna continue with a typical Malugi style bass. So for the bass, we're gonna create a bass similar to his viral remix of Be My Lover. Let's start off with a Serum. So for the oscillators, let's pick this BS2 50 for both oscillators, then 2 octaves down, 1 octave down and 7 semitones up for oscillator B, giving this harmonic sound. Then shape the envelope like this. Then we need to filter it, so really short envelope to right to the cutoff, giving us that plucky bass. And then it's just a matter of mixing, so some dimension, soft flip distortion, compression to boost the sound, and I finished off with some reverb and delay. So then we're gonna dive into MIDI. We are working in E minor, so let's start from the root note. MIDI will be centered around the root, so just create some groove up to the dissonance. Just like this, really solid groove. So then we need to let the melody react to it, like this. Just a really small variation, but it really let it flow some more. So then just copy it over and create a variation for the last part, so up to the third note of the scale. Down to the 7th. Yeah, that's it. That's the spot. So this will be our bass melody. Now we just need some mixing with some reverb and delay with a low cut, because it's a bass of course. So altogether our Malugi bass sounds like this. So now we're gonna continue with a Malugi style lead. He uses typical lead sounds in his tracks as these. So let's copy over the MIDI. And in the new Serum, pick a preset from the speed pack. I made this remake of his signature lead style, so let me know if I should do a breakdown of this preset as well. Then copy over the MIDI. And bump it up an octave. just like this. So we're gonna use it in the second part of the drop. First copy over the drums and the bass. We're gonna use it right here. So first we need an automation. So also make sure to drop in this build-up loop. So just a small transition to smooth it out a little bit more. Then we're gonna make a reverse of the lead synth. So drop in a new Edison, remove the delay, and record the first notes like this. Drag it back in, hit reverse, and cut it like this, giving us this effect. Yeah, that's solid. So this will be our lead sound. Let's fill up the second part to drop it a bit more. So add in a new Serum. And pick this plug sound. Following the MIDI of the bass. Like this, and then following the variation up to the third and down to the seventh. Then mix it some more, remove the low end, bit of reverb, delay, first sidechain. Then I also added this string sound to it, playing the root and the seventh, like this. Okay, just a small ambience, giving some more detail to it. And then the last thing I want to do is add a right loop on top of it. Actually, this one already perfect. New mixer channel, low volume, and route it to the drum bus. Just like this. So that's it for the lead and the second bar of the drop.
I'm a fashion killer.
So now we're gonna dive into the breakdown of the track right here. So first, bring back in a build-up loop together with the ambient sounds we made earlier. Copy over the drum sounds as well. First part's only gonna be the clap. Then bring back in the drums. Then drop in an automation on the drum bus. Remove the resonance, just like this. We're also gonna add in an endless smell on the drum bus to add some more tension, like this. We're also gonna filter in the bass. So again, the love filter together with a local animation like this. Here comes this breakdown. So then we need the intro. So just copy over the drums. Together with the transition, of course. And then I think I want to add in an offbeat bass. So make the MIDI unique. And go for that typical offbeat trance bass with that same variation in the end. Sounding like this. It's adding lots of energy. I do think I want to get rid of the low end, the intro, just like this. So that's it for the arrangement. Now I'm quickly gonna lay on a vocal from the pack. So just open up this vocal section, go to the vocal hooks.
Walk up in the mall, I'm back my Gucci. I'm a fashion killer.
And pick one from the pack.
I'm a fashion killer.
Just drop it in. I think we're only gonna use it for the breakdown, so
I'm a fashion killer.
So just cut up the vocal. This will be our fill right here. And just add in the first hit of the vocal, the intro.
I'm a fashion killer.
And we need to mix it a bit more. So move the low end, some reverb, and a small animation for some more energy. Section for the drop. Something like this. So that's how you make a Malugi style track. I think the final result turned out really dope. So let me know what you think about this in the comments. Besides that, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I see y'all in the next videos.
I'm a fashion